Okay, today's experiment is to find out what happens when you leave the bleach on for different amounts of time. I think you can get different results. Obviously, if you wash it out quite soon, you get a darker result. I mean, it's less inks come out, so it's going to be closer to its original colour. And the longer you leave it, the lighter it'll go. Black t-shirts usually sort of go an orangey sort of colour, so I think if I put some bleach on the bottom first and then set an alarm for half an hour, then after half an hour I'm going to do the next one and then set an alarm for, hang on, half an hour, minus 15 minutes, and then I'm going to set an alarm for, well, you know what I mean, I'm working it out. So in the end we're going to get and see the results of what happens when bleach hits a t-shirt for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then like half hour or something like that, and then an hour. But yeah, anyway, that's enough talking. Let's put the bleach on and set the timer. Let's go. I'm not going to actually worry about gloves today because I'm just going to be like drizzling it on like that. I'm going to bleach the back of it mostly on purpose because the front is this old Dr. Dre t-shirt, and if you have a look at that, it hasn't lasted very well at all. Very cheap off of eBay, very fake probably too. So that might even fall off with this bleach. I have no idea how it's going to affect that, so we'll find out by accident, I suppose. Well, that's easy. Right, I'll be back in half hour to put the next bit on. That's been half hour already. As you can see, it's had a big effect, which I was expecting. So yeah, we're at 30 minutes on the clock, and we're now applying the 30-minute bleach. Next bit of bleach. Back in 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Last one. This one's going to be on for a minute. We'll just see how it goes. I don't really want to breathe this in. I should probably move away a little bit. But actually, there's a bit of space on the shirt, so I also set an alarm for 30 seconds. So one of them's only going to be on for 30 seconds. So, so we'll see how this goes. So, is that about 30 seconds? Let me see. Yeah, pretty much right. So we're on about 30 seconds. So this is the bonus one, just to fill out the shirt at the top. Right. Well, that's it pretty much. So we've just got to wait 30 more seconds. So let's have a little look at this. Let's have a quick look at it. Washing out time. Right, that's running clear now, so I think we've got rid of all the ink that was dislodged by the bleach, and hopefully all the bleach too. So as normal, I'm going to get this downstairs, dry it out, and we'll have a good look at it, see how it came out. Right, see you in a bit. Yo, it looks wicked, check it out. Well happy with that. Didn't go white, I thought it might have gone white actually, leaving it on for a whole hour. But for all intents and purposes, you know, I'm really light, so that's good. 30 minutes, 15 minutes, what was that, 10, 5, 1 minute, and 30 seconds at the top. I think it's really cool. I mean, it's an experimental shirt really. I'm not planning on wearing it, but, oh yeah, if you want to see the front, forgot nearly, the old Dre shirt. Looks pretty cool. I kind of like how it's not on the arms too, so much. Kind of just on the body of the shirt, but you know, whatever, it's just an experiment. So yeah, like I'd say once again, that's a win. Like, I'm well stoked on that, that came out cool. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this will help you when deciding how much time to give the bleach on your stuff, because you can kind of get different results, as you can see, from doing it with different lengths of time. But that's it for now, so there you go, and have fun doing this, and don't forget to be careful, goggles and that, but see you next time, layers.